Lauren Quigley here for Michaels and John Bead, and I have another awesome tutorial for you today. We're making a paperclip lariat necklace using PRECIOSA crystals, a new charm locket that has a snap closure, and the new letter charms that are plated in 14 karat gold. These charms are not only the cutest, but they have these rhinestones inlaid into each letter, and I love that it gives it that little extra bling. To start, you'll need a variety of letter charms. You can make it an even number because we're going to make our own little added charms with the PRECIOSA crystals, and they're going to go on either side of the lariat necklace. So an even number just makes sense in my opinion, since we'll be using the locket as the main focal point in the middle. The PRECIOSA Czech crystals are perfect for this project because they're a little bit more higher end, which matches with the plated 14 karat gold charms that we're using. You'll also need some gold beading wire, some jump rings, and your normal jewelry making supplies like your pliers. Those will be used to open and close the jump rings. These are flat nose pliers, and we're using these to open and close our jump rings, and you'll also need some wire cutters. Grab your paperclip lariat necklace. This comes ready to go from Michaels. It already has the lobster clasp on the back. The first thing we're going to do is open the jump ring on our locket and attach it to the bottom of our paperclip necklace. This is so cute. I love how it hangs down. It just looks so dainty and beautiful. And can you imagine this with a shirt that's kind of lower cut? I just really see it all coming together. Now the charms that we're going to make will hang from the top portion of the necklace. This is where we're going to need our beading wire and our PRECIOSA crystals. Now what you're going to do is cut about a 2-inch length of your wire. This is a generous amount. It's going to naturally cut some of the wire off of the end, but cut your wire and then add your PRECIOSA crystal to the middle. Then using your needle nose pliers, make a simple loop on either side of the PRECIOSA crystal. This is going to make it so it turns into a little charm where we can attach it to the lariat necklace and add our initial charm. And then I like to take my flat nose pliers and squeeze it down just if it needs it. It doesn't need it all the time, but if my wire wasn't perfectly straight when it went in, I'll notice that it needs to be straightened out. Now to finish the charm that we are making, grab a jump ring, open it up, and then this is where we are going to attach the little charm that we're making to the paperclip necklace. Make sure when you lay your necklace out nice and flat that you are attaching it in the same spot for all of the charms that you'll be attaching, because 1, you want your charms to be even, and 2, you want them to lay with the face side of your charm facing up, so that way when you wear your necklace, your charms are all facing in the right direction. Open the jump ring of our heart letter charm and attach that to the little loop on the charm that we just made. Now this makes it so that they dangle all nice and cute. And if you didn't know, these letters that I'm using, I chose 6. They are for all of my kids. I have 4 kids and then 2 fur babies. So I added the charms for all of them. And I feel like this could be a great gift to give for those special people in your life. Or the possibilities are endless for all of the things that you could spell out. We'll repeat the process of the charm making and opening and closing the jump rings on the opposite side of the necklace. So here we have K, and then I'm adding my J charm. I'm making sure that I'm spacing my charms evenly on both sides and that they are put in the same direction so that the little letter initials are facing up, just like you see here. To save time, you can make all of your little charms in advance by taking your beading wire, putting on your PRECIOSA crystals, and using your needle nose pliers to create the loops at either end of your crystal. Then attaching your initial charms. I try to be super mindful of the process, and a lot of my tutorials are focused on the crafter and the person who is doing this sort of project for the first time. So you may see me do things that aren't super traditional when it comes to jewelry making, but it's just the crafter in me. I've always learned as I go, and so I'll get an idea in my head and figure it out as I go. Now with a little bit of movie magic, we have finished our necklace. I added all of the initial charms to this awesome paperclip lariat necklace. It looks so pretty, and I know that it's gonna look amazing on. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me, Lauren Quigley Creations, across all platforms. Happy crafting, and as always, stay creative.